I've had a few friends over the years ask me about my recipe for casserole, beef casserole. Here goes. Camp oven's ready to go. Got a kilo of chuck steak with a whole onion sliced up. I've got about 6 to 8 big mushrooms sliced up with a bit of bacon, 4 carrots, quarter of a cauliflower, a whole broccoli, quarter of a cabbage, 4 big potatoes, and half a sweet potato right in here. And we've got an oxo cube. Beef, make sure when you get this, make sure it's not salt reduced. Barbecue sauce, a bit of wash your sister sauce right here. That's hot, use pliers. First thing we're doing, browning the onion and chuck steak. Give it a good stir around. Brown everything up. I've got a little bit of olive oil and butter in the camp oven. That'll take about 5 minutes. That's all browned off now. Give you a bit of a look at that in a second. 2 ingredients I didn't say. A bit of black pepper and about a cup of red wine. Doesn't really matter what red wine it is. I use the cheapest. That's it. Pretty much browned off. Leave all the juice in the bottom. That's just extra flavour. Now what you're doing is adding everything in. Get it all out. Give this a shake, get all the goodness off the bottom. Pepper in there while we wait. Don't forget the red wine. Come out of my freezer, because that's the only thing I use red wine for is this. So I get about three goes at making this out of a bottle of wine. Give it a good mix, put the lid back on, leave it for a good, it's 3 o'clock now, for at least 3 hours. We'll come back, show you the little bit at the end, how to finish it off and thicken it up. We're at the end of it now. It is smack on 6 o'clock. Give it a little wee stir. Nice. That's all nice. Looks bloody beautiful. Now what I got here is 4 heaped tablespoons of instant gravy mixed with a bit of water. Don't dawdle around when you put it in and go to stir it, or you'll end up with big clumps of gravy jelly all through your stuff. You've got to whack it in and stir it straight away. It's already thickening right up. Give that about 5 minutes, just over those light coals that I've got there, not much, just to help thicken that up. And then we're ready to go. And that's the end of it. everything all mixed together. It's thick enough that it sticks to everything, but it's not too thick, not too runny, just enough to slop up with 2 or 3 pieces of fried bread, and we're done.